Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can delete a user account in Windows. So I'm going to share it to you two ways. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can always search for that in the Windows search bar. Simply type settings, click on that. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for accounts. Scroll down and you'll find other users. And here you'll find all the other users of your Windows. So I have here the computer, tech fix, and the tech guides. Now I want to delete the tech guides user account. So click on this drop down arrow and click on remove. Now I'm not still going to click on remove because I'm going to show you the second way. Now this is the first way. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type control. You'll find control panel under the best match. View this into category, and here you'll find user accounts. Click on that. Here you'll find user accounts. Click on that. Click on manage another account. Here you'll find all the accounts on your Windows. Now I'm going to delete the tech guide, so click on that. In the list of options on the left pane, you'll find change the account name, change the password, change the account type, delete the account, and manage another account. Click on delete the account. Click on delete files. Click on delete account. And now the tech guides has been deleted as a user account of our Windows. So if I click on the start button, click on the profile user account, click on these three dots, the tech guides has been deleted. So that's it. That's how you can easily delete a user account on your Windows in two ways. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.